Chelsea has raised the temperature at Stamford Bridge so high that I can feel the heat here. There is one person that I don't want to be at the moment, that would be Timo Werner. My god, he has patience with VAR because VAR has not been kind to him. Two goals. Two goals disallowed. One because of the offside thing, and second because of the handball. My god, and that too being told to you after you are celebrating the goal. That hurts. Is it weird that I'm worn out after watching this 45-minute match because it is so high paced that I'm not able to keep a track of what is happening in the match? So high paced. The thing is that fans are back and it is so good to see them chant or booing the opponent team, but it's really good to see fans back. That definitely put Chelsea at an advantage because it helps a lot. Fans help a lot in the match, in winning the matches. So you can see a little bit change in Chelsea playing so passionately and energetically. Really, it's so good to have fans back. I really feel that Chelsea is going to win the match in next 45 minutes because they have tested a lot of Kasper Schmeichel at the moment and also the defenders of Leicester City. My God, a lot of difference between the FA Cup match and this match, and that is in FA Cup match both were playing very defensively and you got the Tillemans goal at the end. But in this match, Chelsea is on it. Chelsea wants it. Chelsea has upped the game. Chelsea has raised the bar. They brought heat to this match. Heat. What a heated match. What a heated match. My God, what did I just see? I don't understand why did Brendan Rodgers not play Ricardo and Iheanacho in the first half? I mean, that should be his first choice. They should be his playing 11 and not Madison. Madison and Perez have been shit in this match. Come on. Perez was of no use in this match. It could have easily been a draw, and I wanted it a draw or maybe Leicester win because come on, it would have given Liverpool some breather if that happened, but that didn't happen. After the two goals of Chelsea, as soon as Ricardo and Iheanacho came in, the whole game, especially of Leicester City, was being controlled by Ricardo and Iheanacho. He got such good chances and he converted. I mean, Iheanacho should have been the first choice for Brendan Rodgers to play today, you know. He could have made a significant difference today, and that we saw in the second half. Clearly, Madison was nowhere near Iheanacho, and Perez is so useless at his position. I wish they had better substitutes for that position. I'm sure Brendan Rodgers could have used that. But credit where it's due, Chelsea was really good today, really good, much better than what we have seen them play in the FA Cup or the previous matches that they had with Leicester City. And if they play with this zeal, with this intensity and this passion, we can see a good match in Champions League final between City and Chelsea. Well, to be honest, I was not really planning to make a full-fledged video on this match, but it turned out to be one of the very good matches that I have seen, like with so much intensity and pure football. And you could see that both the teams wanted it. They know how important it is at this point of stage to get a point in the Premier League table because you know now Liverpool is also not far behind to get it in the top four. I still feel there's a very less chance of that happening for Liverpool at the moment because we are not really getting easy wins. So I'm not really making any predictions here for the top four at the moment, but just this Chelsea and Leicester City match, which was actually very good, and then fight and drama, वो तो come on, एक neutral fan को और क्या चाहिए होता है? And I think VAR realized they have been too pushy with Timo Werner, and finally he got a penalty in second half. So yeah, that's how the game went. I was actually going to sleep after the first half because okay, I had made the prediction that Chelsea is going to win and they did. But I thought, what more could they bring in the game in second half? Because Leicester City was not good at all in first half. And you could see that Leicester looked interested only after Iheanacho and Ricardo came in. Before that, Chelsea was ruling them completely. Like I said, I had no plans to make a full-fledged video on this, which is why you're going to see me in this tiny screen, and I'm sorry for that. I should have known better.